Hello friend, my name is Ajaz and welcome back to my channel Pro Learner. Today we are going to download and install free Office. It is a best alternative of Microsoft Office and the interface is quite similar of Microsoft Office. If you are familiar with Microsoft Office and you want a free alternative of Microsoft Office, then you can sure download this free Office. First of all, you have to open your favorite browser and type free office, and after that hit enter, and here you can see the first link. Just come here you can see there is a different option for Mac OS, Windows and Linux operating system. So we can download Windows and just click on download. It take approximately 5 minutes depend on your internet. Okay, here you can see our free office is successfully installed. Just click show in folder and click on show in folder. Here, here we just double click on it and then I minimize all the thing. Just click on next. Click on I accept the term and condition. Click on next and just click on install. If you want to do some customization, you can surely choose the second option, customize or custom. I just click on install. It will start installing. Just click on yes. After that, you can click on finish. And here you can see the free office is successfully installed. We have text maker, we have plan maker, we have presentation. First, we'll have a look of text maker. Just choose the format according to your need. I just click on the ribbon and just click on OK. Click on just cut it this first time. I just maximize the interface and you can see the free office text maker is similar to our word, and here you can choose the free font and the thing that you use in word you can do in this also. Okay, now after this I just cut and then click on plan maker, and it is similar of Excel. You can clearly see the interface is very much similar to Microsoft Office. I just cut and then click on presentation. You can see it is again similar to our PowerPoint of Microsoft Office. Okay, so this is how you can download and install free Office in Windows machine. Hope you like this video. If you did, please subscribe my channel, share with your friends, and bye bye.